Ladies and gentlemen, bandaholics from around the world, welcome back. You already know what time it is. Looks like Apple dropped a brand new band dubbed the blackunity Sport Band and a special edition Apple Watch Series 6 to commemorate and celebrate Black History Month. I think this is a fantastic initiative by Apple and really shows that Apple is all about inclusivity and a forward-thinking company in general. Today, we're going to take a closer look at the band and go over the special edition aluminum Series 6 watch a little bit more in detail in a future video. But before we begin, as is tradition on my channel, I will be giving away two, yes, count them, two of these special edition blackunity bands to 2 lucky subscribers, so make sure you stick around until the end of the video to find out how. Because we at TheJuan&Only believe in equality for all, I'd love to spread the band love, and after all, it's for a great cause. So because we only have one new band for this video, I figured I'd show you the band on every available casing material and color you can currently get from Apple. This is going to be a quick one, but without further ado, let's get the show on the road. Now, if I'm not mistaken, this is the second sport band Apple has released that includes more than 2 colors. The only other one being the Pride Edition Sport Band. I've actually reviewed the Pride Sport Band. You can click the card at the top right to check it out. Actually, while you're at it, I have a whole playlist dedicated to the newest releases of Apple Watch bands. We cover every new release on this channel. I'll attach a link to the playlist in the description, or you can also click the card at the top right to view all of those juicy reviews on all the latest Apple Watch bands. Now let's go over a quick unboxing because we do have a few differences from ordinary sport band unboxings. Firstly, you'll notice that despite this not being a Nike edition sport band, we still have our super sleek black box with our tri-color band front and center. This happens to be the 44mm band, but is also available on the smaller 40mm variants, and regardless of sizing, both will set you back a cool $49. However, you can feel good about this one since on the back, we can see Apple left us a little message that reads, "With this purchase, you are supporting organizations dedicated to advancing racial equity and justice." Now, just like with all other band unboxings, let's pull off our pull tab and see what else we have inside. We first are presented with your standard literature, including safety and information guide, and your warranty information guide. But we also have this black pamphlet that lets you know a bit more about the design. It is exclusive, guys, meaning once Apple sells out of stock, that's it. So make sure you pick it up if you're the slightest bit interested in growing your Apple Watch band collection. I can see this one being super rare later on down the line. The pamphlet lets you know this exclusive band is inspired by the Pan-African flag and describes what each color represents, which I find to be awesome. We now head over to our band holder and can see that it looks extremely sleek and black. We open it up and see instructions on how to install the band in case you're new to all of this, and we'll have our medium large band and the small medium blackunity sport bands. So this will be a quick video like I said, but let me say this is so cool that Apple is doing this. I love the fact that Apple is bringing awareness to the Black Lives Matter movement and appreciating Black History Month and what it means for millions of people. As you can see, the side with the pin will be space gray stainless steel, and it has this very amazing reflective luster to the pin itself. It's space gray to match the accompanying special edition Series 6 blackunity aluminum watch. If we flip the band over, on the underside of the pin, we see 3 words: truth, power, and solidarity, all describing the significance of the Pan-African flag and what Black History Month and the Black Lives Matter movement is all about. Towards the bottom, we can see blackunity, indicating that this is not your normal band. This is limited edition, and we see our band size. About 2/3 is comprised of this very rich and energetic green, representing the vibrant natural wealth of Africa, with the rest being black, representing the black people whose existence is affirmed by the Pan-African flag. On the other portion of our band, we see a bright red streak running across the middle, with the rest again being black. The red representing the blood that unites people of the African diaspora and whose blood was shed for their liberation. And on the back side, we have the matching design with our small medium sizing or medium large, whichever you happen to prefer. There is also an exclusive matching Unity watch face that was released alongside watchOS 7.3. That way you can match up your band to this super cool watch face that also contains the colors of the Pan-African flag. The band naturally looks amazing on any dark colored casings. We can start with the aluminum watches since after all, the Unity Series 6 is only available in the space gray aluminum coloring, but also looks amazing on the aluminum silver color. There's also gold aluminum, which is basically rose gold, and it looks stellar. Then there's the blue aluminum coloring and the product red, and let me just tell you how gnarly the product red goes with this black Unity band. I mean, the blue does look pretty cool, but there's no topping this red. I love how the red on the band heavily accents the fiery red of the product red aluminum casing. The product red and black Unity band has to be one of my favorite band combinations to date. Then we have our stainless steel variants, that being regular silver stainless steel, graphite, and the new gold. Just about any band matches up quite well on regular stainless steel. You really can't go wrong with it. It's one of the reasons I love classic stainless steel. However, take a look at graphite with the black Unity band. Isn't this combination a huge flex? It looks amazing. And finally, our gold plus Unity band sets out to make a statement. I didn't think this combination would look all that good, but I was genuinely surprised. I think it looks really good. And finally, our titanium variants, of which we only have two, regular titanium and space black titanium. Just like with silver stainless steel, the regular titanium color tends to match up pretty well with most band colors, and this time around, it's no different. I love the distinct reflectiveness the titanium models give. It really makes your watch feel exclusive, high-end, and very pristine. And slapping on the black Unity band on top of it, that's it. Game over. Not only are you stunning with a titanium model, but I think the bigger flex is how beautiful that black Unity band looks on it. But if you thought that combination looked good, nothing tops space black titanium. You have that very unique reflectiveness of titanium only on the darker coloring, and it looks beautiful. Looks extremely sleek and very clean. If you lean more towards dark colors or like black clothing or black accessories in general, this right here, folks, is the ultimate flex. And there you have it, guys, a very unique band celebrating such a great cause. I also very much love the name, Unity. It reminds us that together we can all achieve greatness. I am absolutely in love with this band and already wore it to the gym day one and got a few compliments on it. It's so unique with that tricolor design, and honestly, the meaning and significance behind it is what really makes it stand out. At $49, if you're remotely interested in it, and especially since it's limited edition, pick it up ASAP. I promise you won't be disappointed. What other special edition bands would you like Apple to release in the future though? Let me know what you think in the comments below. And by the way, no, I haven't forgotten about the giveaway. I know you guys are just as hyped as I am, so if you'd like a chance at winning one of these bad boys all for yourself, the rules are really simple. Number 1, smash and destroy that like button and make sure you are subscribed to my channel with bell notifications so you're always up to date on all the latest tech and band releases. 2, give me a follow on my socials as I will announce both winners over on Twitter and Instagram in exactly 1 month from this video going live, which should be March the 5th. And finally, drop a comment letting me know what your predictions are for the Apple Watch Series 7 set to be released later this year around September. At this point, the Apple Watch is such a well-rounded device that it's hard to imagine what else they can add. I know sleep tracking has been rumored for a while, as well as the Apple Watch being able to monitor blood glucose levels, which I think are both enticing features. But who knows what Apple has up their sleeves? Well, good luck to all who enter into my band giveaway. It's been a joy reviewing this super special and exclusive black Unity sport band. Make sure to drop your thoughts on this all new band and your predictions for the Series 7 down below, and I'll be catching you all real soon in my next video.